Hey guys, how's it going? Andy Patlan out here at our latest rehab project in San Antonio. We are right outside of Judson, O'Connor, really right outside of Wheatner, in between that area, if you know where that's at. We're at 12426 Magnifico. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1972 year built home. We have this on the market. We put this on the market on Friday. It's $169,900, $169,900. We had to rework the landscaping. This used to be a rental property, guys, so it was quite a mess when we took it over. We had to haul off about 4 or 5 full trailers of trash and furniture and other items. Again, $169,900, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,500 square feet, 1972 year built. And as you can see here, we did some of the little details. Added some light fixtures to the outside, painted the trim, painted the door. Come on in. I love this model, love this floor plan. When I saw this house, I really fell in love with the functionality of it. I thought it had a lot to offer. You've got a formal living area. You've got one dining area here. You've got the arches. And some of the things that we've done already to the house and the finished product. We went with Monterey texture throughout. You can see that. A full interior repaint, new light fixtures. Okay, so while we didn't do a major remodel, we didn't knock down walls, we didn't do any additions, we didn't reconfigure the floor plan. We did spend a pretty penny in just making the house look good, feel good, updating it with some of the fixtures that we did with the lighting, with the texturing, with the paint. Granite backsplash. We put a lip on the bar so it extends out, so you can have some meals here, some drinks when you have some guests. Here with some of the cobblestone backsplash throughout. We kept the original tile floor because we feel it really gives character to the house. Stainless steel appliances were added. And guys, again, new light fixtures, new light fixtures. This is that brushed nickel combined with that stainless steel. And then the coloring, guys, really makes this stuff pop. So we've got this on market, and in one weekend we've already had 13 showings, 14 showings actually. Let me show you what the garage looks like. So my contractor came in and did a full epoxy paint job on the flooring, did a full interior paint, including the ceiling. Again, just to give it that extra wow factor, okay? Had a great floor plan. We just came in here, cleaned it up, updated it, and did what we needed to do to put it on market. Let me show you the bedroom. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, bedrooms 2 and 3, main bath here. Again, more Monterey texturing. The doors were replaced. The door handles were replaced. Okay, so even though it wasn't a major remodel, it still took time, still took money. We needed to we needed about 3 weeks, almost 4 weeks to get this property from acquisition and onto the marketplace. Bedroom number 1 here. New carpet, let me point that out. While we didn't replace the tile flooring in the common areas, we did replace the carpet in the bedrooms and in that living area. So new carpet. This is the master bedroom. Again, new carpet, paint on the trim, Monterey texturing, paint on the walls. They didn't do anything to the bath. We really did just kind of clean it up, make it look good. The exterior was repainted, both front and back exterior repaint. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous landscaping. Nice big broad yard. And you just don't get that in today's homes. If you're shopping around with some of these new home builders, you'll know that the lot sizes have really been squeezed in. Decking, restained the entire decking just to give it an extra wow. But these are the type of projects that we like to bring to you. Stuff that we know is going to sell, stuff that we know is going to bring you that return on investment. If you want to get into this flip game, call me. I'm 15 years in the business. My name is Andy Patlan. My number 512-784-0048. Hablamos español.